Hello guys, so I'm in Tuesday morning and I'm just looking at their wall of flowers here, and I see this nice array of fall flowers up here. And look at that sign up there. It says count your blessings, live simply, forgive and forget, dream big, and a whole lot more. And I'm down here, look at this pretty wreath here. I think the price of this wreath is going for $29.99. Also have this beautiful basket here. It could be a nice table arrangement for the Thanksgiving holidays. Also this nice welcome sign here, which is very nice. But they have a nice array of fall plants, greaves, things of that nature. Alright, so I see that they have a nice selection of their pumpkins as well. Look at this pumpkin right here, guys. This is going for, I don't actually see a price of it, but yeah, there's no price on it, but that's really pretty. It has a gold bottom and a turquoise top. They also have this white one here, and I see a smaller one like that. The big one, it's going for $8.99. And they also have the bigger ones here. Look at that pretty gold one there. And that one is going for $9.99. But they have a large selection of their pumpkins. Those are really pretty. And this one right here is $24.99. But look at the decor on it. It has the leaves, things of that nature. But it's very, very pretty. And I see that they have their wreath hangers as well. And the price of these are going for $9.99. But they have different ones up here, and I think they're all the same prices. And if you could see that wreath back there that says thankful, that's very pretty. It has the velvet pumpkins on it in green and gray. Very pretty. Right, so I see that they have a nice wall of pillows here. They have fall colors out. They have darker colors as well. I don't think I need any pillows, but I see some nice ones. This one right here is a two-piece, and it comes in like a purple and like a brownish color, but they're going for $14.99. I see this one right here, this bohemian type pillow. This one is going for $14.99. Very nice. Right, I see that they have a large selection of their furniture back here. Look at this nice table here. This could be a side table or a table as you walk in your door to put your keys and things on. But that's a very nice texture there. And look at the detail on the side. And the price of this is going for $129.99. Very nice. So guys, look at this right here. Isn't this beautiful? This is going for $199, and it's a Chester drawer, 3 drawers. The drawers are like a grayish blue on the inside. That is very pretty. It has like a darkish gray top. So I see this gray 3 Chester drawer here for $199, and it has a mirror top to it, a glass top. That is very pretty. And look at the detail. Very nice. You see that they have some new arrivals. They have these tables here, which are very pretty. And you see that they have this green one here for $99. That's very pretty. And they also have this one right here as well for $99. And it's a 2 drawer. Very pretty. Alright guys, so look at this pretty color chair here. So they have 2. It comes out on camera like a turquoise, but they're actually green. And they are very pretty. I wish they had 4. These would be good for like your table, your dinner table. They're going for $99. And they also have these colors right here, which is like a brown burgundy color. Those are very nice. And I see that they have this nice little lounging chair right here. Be good for like a lounging area in your home. But it's going for $249. It's a gray suede color. Very pretty. So I see that they have a large selection of their wall decor decor. They have some nice art back here that is very pretty. They also have this one here. They have this one piece up here that says "We Gather Here." And these are nice for the bathroom, maybe the kitchen area. These are going for $4.99. They have this one right here with the llama that says "Save the Drama for Your Llama." Very nice. So I see that they have these two up here. The definition of family. Sorry guys, it's a little loud in here. There's people talking, kids playing around. Alright, also I see that they have these up here. Let's Stay Home. And they have this real pretty one right here. It says Let's Stay Together. Very nice. And these two right here are very pretty. And I think they are going for $12.99. Very nice. And they also have this big leaf here, this leaf plant or leaf art for $39.99. Very nice. Alright guys, so I see that Tuesday morning has a lot of their throws. I don't come in this store very often, but when I do, I see that they do bring out a lot of nice throws. Look at this bohemian type of throw. It's a vintage hand patchwork throw, and I don't see a price of it. Yes, I do. It's going for $39.99, but that is very pretty. I like the detail. Also, they have these ones right here, the quilted throws as well. They're going for $14.99. And they also have these ones here. This one is pretty right here. It'll be a nice throw to put on the back of your couch. And I see that they have the vintage, more of the throws here in the vintage patchwork, $39.99. That's a very pretty colors. And I see that they have this one also, very nice. Of course, they have a huge selection of their candle section. They have a whole row of their candles. And they have these right here. I see an orange vanilla, green Irish tweed. They have this paradise one right here. Laundry Fresh. But they have a whole selection of these, and these are going for $12.99. Just smell this one right here. This smells really good. It's an orange vanilla. They also have the tobacco and suede. They have the citrus sleeve, and I see one that says a date night, which I'm going to have to smell that one as well. But these are all going for $4.99. Alright, and I see that they have a lot of these ceiling fan tassels or door tassels. Look at this one right here, really pretty. They had these out the last time, but they look like they brought more out. They have the drapery clips. More tassels for your ceiling fan or for your doors. Very nice. This one right here is really pretty. And they also have the bigger ones here at the bottom. And they range in different prices. They start at $2.99 and go up to $5.99, depending on which one you want. Look at this pretty turquoise one right here. Very pretty. So I see that they have a lot of soaps and things like that for your bathroom, for decoration. But they have these, I haven't seen these in a while, but I see them in Walmart, but these are the good kind right here. These are going for $5.99. I mean, it's just mainly for decoration. You can put them in baskets and things of that nature. Let's see here. They have these right here. And they come with a little trinket dish. And they are going for $5.99, which are very pretty. Also, they see that they have the different soaps here and different fragrances. It's going for $3.99. Very nice. And I also see that they sell Yardley here as well for $7.99. You get an English lavender perfume talic and luxury soap. And that's $7.99. That's a good deal. Very nice. And they have a box here with a candle on the inside for $7.99. things for like your nails, hair towels, anything for like a day of spa relaxation. You can definitely find it here at Tuesday Morning. I also see that they have the green goo deodorant, all natural, and they have them in different ones. Now I have this one right here, the Wild Rose, which smells very good. It's aloe vera, aluminum free, and I think it's vegan as well, if I'm not mistaken. But those are some very nice deodorants, and they are going for $3.99. Alright, also I see that they have a section in here for like art craft, like if you want to make your own bracelets and things like that, your own jewelry. But I did not know they had this type of stuff in here. I'm definitely going to have to come back here because I love to make bracelets, as you can see. They have the handmade flowers. These are very pretty right here. These are going for $3.99. Handmade flowers here. Alright guys, so I want to thank you for stopping by my channel today. Sorry I didn't come on and say hello to everyone. But if you're a returning member, hello sis. If you're new here, go ahead and click that subscribe button, share, like, comment, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to get alerts each and every time I upload. I want to thank you again for stopping by my channel, and I hope to see you again real soon, guys. Bye. We also have yarn in here as well.